My equations are impetuous. My logic is impregnable. I'm ferocious with my tensors. There's no one can match me.
Oh, wait a minute.
What is this?
You've got to be kidding me.
That's Stephen Hawking. I don't believe what I'm seeing. Hawking's chair is pulling away from the
How is that
Mercedes.
even possible? He's taking the apex like a veteran driver.
And here comes
Stephen
the finish
Hawking
line.
leads, and he takes.
Here comes Hawking, powered by pure theory and a little bit of battery life, dropping in. Look at that speed, 9.8 meters per second squared and climbing. Oh, he said.
Everything you just saw has been generated using only Sora 2. And as you can see, they look absolutely stunning. Sora 2. If you've been active on the internet lately, I'm 100% sure you've heard this name. It's been only a few days since OpenAI launched Sora 2, and since then, it's been total chaos. People have been using Sora 2 to make all kinds of different videos, and not gonna lie, they're really fun to watch. The video creation capabilities that Sora 2 offers are unmatched, and if you use it properly, you can truly create wonders with it. People are using it to create viral, hilarious videos like this. It's like Sora 2 has opened some kind of Pandora's box, and now everybody wants a piece of it. Now, as good as Sora 2 is, if you don't know how to use it, you won't be able to create awesome videos. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can use Sora 2 to its full potential. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, now, as we all know, the Sora 2 app and website are currently available only in the United States and Canada. But the good news is, it has been launched worldwide through third-party APIs, and anyone from anywhere can use Sora 2 through them. And the best part? It doesn't produce any watermarks. Now, there are quite a few platforms where you can generate videos using Sora 2, but today, I'll show you the cheapest and most reliable one I've personally used. And yes, Sora 2 is not free. It's a paid service, so you can't use it completely for free. The tool we'll be using today is called Sora AI Video. I've been using this tool for a while to generate videos with Sora 2, and honestly, it's really good. So, to get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. Once you're in, you'll see an interface like this. As you can see, it's pretty simple and straightforward. Now, let's generate some videos with it. Here, you can see two options, text to video and image to video. Let's start with the text to video option. I'll give it this prompt, then select the Sora 2 or Sora 2 Pro model. I'll stick with Sora 2 for now. You can also change the aspect ratio from here, and once everything looks good, just hit generate. And here's the output.
Man, this trail's endless. Nothing but sky and sand out here. Perfect day for it.
Just look at this footage, folks. It looks absolutely outstanding. The visuals are great. Desert landscape, dirt trail, clear sky, everything looks natural and realistic. But what really makes this work is the audio. It sounds so casual and real, like someone actually recording their ride. The camera movement is smooth too. It bounces naturally like you're on a bike going over dirt and rocks. Sora turned a simple prompt into something that feels authentic. Let's try one more. This time we'll generate a video of Stephen Hawking. I'll give it this prompt, then hit generate. And here's the output.
Are you kidding me? The legendary physicist is rolling down the ramp like he owns
This
the
is
place.
surreal.
Okay, now this is wild. This is just hilarious. You can see Professor Hawking making a dramatic entrance in his signature style, and the music and fireworks are spot on. It literally feels like I'm watching an episode of SmackDown on TV. And the commentary makes it even funnier. The commentator's voice sounds just like Michael Cole. He really said, "The physicist rolling down like he owns the place." It's just hilarious. The fact that AI can now do this, match the voice, nail the lip sync, and make it look this real, that's honestly mind-blowing. Now let's try image to video. First, I'll select image to video from here. Next, let's upload an image. I've uploaded this one. After that, we'll give it a prompt. I'll write this and then simply hit generate. And here's the output.
Units in pursuit, suspects heading east on Mercer. Speed's over 100.
Stay with me.
Okay, this one is crazy. It looks like something out of Fast and Furious. What's insane is the different camera angles. You've got the driver gripping the wheel, aerial shots of police cars chasing, close-ups of the drivers looking intense, and the cars drifting and kicking up spray. All from just one image, multiple cuts, multiple perspectives, all flowing together. And the audio adds to the tension and makes it feel real. The movement, the lighting, the wet streets, reflecting everything. It's all cinematic. The physics of the drifting looks right too. From a single image to this full action-packed chase scene with different angles and realistic sound, Sora absolutely crushed it. Let's try one more. This time, I'll upload a different image, give it a prompt, hit generate, and here's the result.
Hold her steady. Keep her into the wind.
Hi, Captain. She's fighting us hard.
Reef that sail. All hands straight.
Waves coming over.
This is also great. You can see the ship getting tossed around by huge waves, the dark sky, torn sails, lanterns lighting up the deck. The movement looks real. The ship rocking, the waves hitting it. Everything feels chaotic and intense. And the crew shouting commands matches the scene perfectly. Sora 2 really brings images to life. Solid work. So there you have it, folks. A quick guide to using Sora 2 to generate awesome videos. Once you sign up for this tool, they'll give you some free credits, which you can use to generate one free video. After that, you can opt for a subscription if you want, and as you can see, the pricing is very reasonable. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.